Mbonani Mzansi Afrika, igama uvuyo lwethu ngwakagwala. Welcome to our podcast, Inkezo podcast yaka-GCIS. Njengoba kade sishilo ekuqaleni, namhlanje sila kwaDukuza lapho wonke ama-departments e-province as well as la elembeni behlangene commemorate ukuba le-program esiyibiza nge-DPM cabinet visit. Namhlanje eduze kwami nginobhuti omuhle la usenemile mfazi unjani intsha yakhona shasho ukuthi sa-crowd ngendaba sekwawegama kudala
sikusayiyona sekwahluka ama-ward different wards but we are still under the control.
Wena nje njengentsha yalana i-ground valley kuchaza uthini kuwena the fact ukuthi all the MECs everybody is here sihlangene sonke sivakashele la i-ground valley namhlanje.
You know, as a student in the tourism organizing, this actually means so much to Indawo as a whole. We're hoping ukuthi abagcini ukuthi bafike kuphela but they leave behind amathuba azofuna intsha because we do suffer from intsha bengenamsebenzi. So their presence in the school should mean a lot, not only to me as but to everyone involved
siyazi ukuthi la njengoba lokusukhuluma indaba yokuthi kube khona something abashiya ngamunye izinto nje izinto futhi ukuthi mangabe ixoxwa lapha phakathi zibe ama-outcomes esizokwazi ukuthi sibhenefithe nina nje kakhulukazi njengentsha but also nje umphakathi wonkana wala
for starters, unemployment. I am hoping personally, I am hoping that they will leave behind leadership, opportunities, those centers where not only are we going to be given opportunities to learn, but to progress as and as Mpakathi as well. So development.
Siyazi ukuthi kulo nyaka siyakhulukazi ngikhuluma nawe njengentsha siyazi ukuthi kulo nyaka siya kuma-elections. You've seen the posters, you've seen everything. When usurejistile nje
manje kuthiwa ngathi phezu kwabo
awutshele nabanye-ke ozakwenu abangangawo ukuthi ngomhla ka-1 August is the last registration in the Cape. Abantu abaningi babo bezosho ukuthi come November sonke siyakwazi ukuthi sifake
well boza kwethu intsha yanamhlanje hopefully niyangizwe mina ningangikhohlwa. Ngiyacela nambe niyorejista abafazi namadoda siyovota. Siyazi-ke sokuthi sivotelani, it's personal, it's your information, but make sure ukuthi you do your research, you do your proper research. Uzazi ukuthi okay, I'm voting for a certain party because have your reasons and let it be information yakho into oyithembayo ukuthi izokuthuthukisa wena.
Siyabonga kakhulu usenambile ngesikhathi sakho, siyabonga nje nayo information esisherele nayo sinethemba lokuthi from this income yanamhlanje konke kuzohamba kahle naba-engagement zabo.
Siyabonga, sibonge nje nabo-MEC nabaphathi.